Protocols. Protocols is a set of rules that governs the communication between the computers on a network. Certain network protocols and standards are to be followed in order to ensure that your computer can communicate with another computer over a network. Some of the Internet protocols for addressing the data transmitted over the Internet are here. Hypertext Transfer Protocol, HTTP. HTTP stands for Hypertext Transfer Protocol. It is the set of rules or protocols that governs the transfer of hypertext web pages between two or more computers using a standard language HTML. It is the primary protocol used to exchange data between a web browser and a website. Hypertext Transfer Protocol Secure, HTTPS. HTTPS stands for Hypertext Transfer Protocol Secure. It is an extension of Hypertext Transfer Protocol used for secure communication over a network. It makes a secure connection by establishing an encrypting link between the browser and server, hence maintaining data integrity by encrypting the data. Transmission Control Protocol, Internet Protocol, TCP or IP. TCP or IP stands for Transmission Control Protocol, Internet Protocol. It enables computers over a network to communicate with each other. Set of LANs and WANs use the TCP or IP suite to communicate with each other. File Transfer Protocol, FTP. FTP stands for File Transfer Protocol. It is a part of the TCP or IP protocol suite and enables files to be transferred between computers. Internet Message Access Protocol, IMAP. IMAP stands for Internet Message Access Protocol. It is an email protocol that stores email messages on a mail server and allows the user to view, access, and manipulate the messages on the mail server from their computer. Simple Mail Transfer Protocol, SMTP. SMTP stands for Simple Mail Transfer Protocol and is the most popular protocol for transferring electronic mail via the Internet. Post Office Protocol 3, POP3. POP3 stands for Post Office Protocol 3. It is the recent version of Internet Protocol for receiving emails. It allows you to download email messages on your local computer and read them even if you are offline. When you use POP3 to connect to your email account, messages are downloaded locally and removed from the email server. It is a client-server protocol.